In today's video, I'm going to show you Resparked Customizer Engraving Pen review. Is it legit or overhyped? The product itself is widely sold as a cordless engraving pen that works on wood, glass, leather, and other materials. Comes with a set of bits and a USB-C rechargeable battery, and is aimed at beginners or casual DIYers who want to personalize items without investing in heavy power tools. Official product pages highlight its ease of use, compact design, and creative potential, boasting thousands of excellent reviews. Independent hands-on tests show that the pen does perform reasonably well on softer surfaces like wood and leather, creating decent engravings once you get the hang of it. The battery life is modest but acceptable for short sessions, and the lightweight design makes it easy to hold. However, it's not very powerful on harder metals, the engraving depth and precision can be inconsistent, and there's only one speed setting, so it's not a professional grade tool. Real-world user feedback is genuinely mixed. Many customers on Trustpilot praise the product and especially note helpful customer service and quick responses when issues arise. Though some buyers report defective units or parts missing upon arrival, at the same time, community threads on Reddit include conflicting experiences. Some say it's fine for basic projects, while others mention battery problems, shakiness under pressure, or poor experiences with support. In short, it's a real engraving tool that offers decent value for casual hobby engraving and personalization. But its performance has limits, and the marketing hype can overpromise, especially compared with more powerful or professional devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.